Hello, in this lecture we'll be talking about how to control your model in SolidWorks. So let's open back the shaft arm that we previously opened. So now you have your shaft arm open. So there are a few ways to control it. Personally, I just use my mouse to control it. So in order to move it, to rotate it, hold on the scroll wheel, press the scroll wheel down and just move it right and left to rotate it like this. To zoom in and out, use your scroll wheel to zoom in and out. Just roll it, your scroll wheel, to zoom in and out. And to select the face, you press the left key, and the right, if you left click on the face, it's gonna select the face, but if you right click, it's gonna select the face and the option to either edit that face and do some modification to that face. If you press the control key, the space key on your keyboard, it brings up this view where you can select any view you want. So that will be the space key. And that is pretty much all the stuff I use, and I'm pretty sure that if you hold down the control key and hold down the scroll wheel, you can move it left and right. So that's another one. And that is pretty much the way I navigate it, but I pretty much just use the scroll wheel to zoom in and out and rotate it. And if I need to move it, I hold down the control key and move it left and right. So that's pretty much the basics of what you will use to move your part around. And as you start working with it, you will develop your own method of navigating and rotating your model. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye.